quiero presentarte a mi amigo. Él es un poquito loco, pero tú vas a ver que está heavy. Ay Dios, ahí va.
Familiar facto flow, you know? Don Juan and San Juan, non-stop. Hey. Selena would've loved this. Selena would've loved this. Selena would've loved this. Ooh, we bout to hit him with the cumbia. 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 I'm 20 minutes from the border. Bringing drama like Malauda. Child ones out in Florida. Yeah, Texas, California. Never seen Black Chavo before. What's that when we talk on the phone? Hey, Selena would've loved this. Woo. I hit that cumbia pronto. My Dominicanos on Broadway. My Mexicanos down at TJ. I might do Cuba with a vacay. Seen Jenny from the block on the 6th train. Hey, you laughing at the me no wobbler? Just wait until I hit the salsa. Fall back, let me take my time. It's the Biddy and the Bomb Bomb. Selena would've loved this. Selena would've loved this. Selena would've loved this. Ooh, we bout to hit him with the cumbia. May I proceed with that 1, 2, don't me and G don't man. It's for the ones that collects the coat. Hey, it's for the ones that collects the coat. Each verse I bring the tapatio. They just put fries in my burrito. What's up, Kanye on the grill, dog. Burn up, when I build a wall. But they turn up, off of the Republic. Selena would've loved this. Selena would've loved this. Selena would've loved this. Selena would've loved this.